To add fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we need to go to settings. Next, in the settings, we're gonna scroll down to lock screen and AOD, and then we want to go to screen lock and biometrics. Enter your current screen lock password if you have set it up. If you didn't set up, then first you will need to set up the screen lock, and after that we can go to fingerprints. Now we can press continue, and on this screen we need to press register. You will see the fingerprint sensor over here, and we need to touch with the finger that we wish to scan, and then lift it shortly after the circle goes all green. And try to scan from different angles. There we go. And we need to keep doing that until we have 100%. So once again, remember to touch from different angles so that later on in the future you don't have any issues with unlocking your device. And once you see 100%, you should have the option to add another fingerprint if you want to scan another one. You can also scan the same finger twice, or you can simply press down and proceed to the fingerprint settings, where we have some additional options, our fingerprints, and we can also remove them over here. And we can add a new one over here by pressing add fingerprint. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!